This year at Jackhammer Global, we have seen a massive uptick in the number of senior tech roles that we've been mandated to fill. What is the trend? Why the uptick? What's happening out there that we've got, I think, close to 60% of the roles that we've been mandated to fill this year have been in the tech space?
Yeah, and tech encompasses a broad range. So that's digital transformation, data science, analytics kind of roles. And I think what every company already realizes is that if you're not a digital company first, you're probably going to fall very far behind. So all companies from financial services to logistics, they're under pressure to modernize everything in their operations, to automate them, and importantly, to mine data for their own strategic advantage. So even more traditional industries are building their own internal capability and really creating demand for digital leadership. And I think apart from that being a strategic advantage in and of itself, there's also a move post COVID where business models have been reimagined and are probably still being rewritten because we do still have hybrid work environments and platform based operations that were accelerated in adoption during COVID. But now that they exist, it would be foolish to let them fall by the wayside. And we still need people to operate those machines. And then there is something about scarcity of skill driving that kind of premium hiring. And we find a lot of companies poaching from each other, and top digital and data leaders are in short supply. We know that, especially the very good ones, and especially those who combine technical fluency with commercial acumen and the ability to operate in cross-functional environments.
I think what we're also seeing is certainly the conversation that I've been having with CEOs is, should we appoint somebody as part of our leadership team where their primary focus is AI and automation? And that still remains a question for many organizations. And we're seeing this arise in terms of how organizations are incorporating the AI functionality as a strategy. It sometimes forms part of the CIO, CTO role. Sometimes it sits slightly adjacent to that. These days, we're seeing a combination of digital data automation being combined in one role. And every company is doing it slightly differently, but definitely an emphasis on making sure that that is incorporated as part of the technology strategy. We're not just seeing one person who they are the AI person or the chief AI officer. That's not a thing that we're necessarily seeing either.
Absolutely. And I think that's as it should be, because as the permanence and this AI functionality permeates through all parts of the organization, you can't have one person or one department driving it. It needs to be absorbed in all parts of the value chain, and it needs to be within everybody's wheelhouse to adopt and drive.